So we gonna make up a song about shoes and baby mamas. Y'all gonna determine which one's the hottest, all right?
Yeah. You missed the other showing off your Jordans that only you have.
I'm gonna get you some.
Give it to me, DJ D-Red.
Diesel.
Whatever you do. Come on, y'all. Just don't step on my shoes. Please don't step.
See if he bulldozes the snow with his nose again. Yep. Eating the snow. Just thinking about running off. Diesel! Good boy! That's a good boy! Was y'all bulldozing the snow? Huh? That's a good boy! That's a good boy! That's a good boy! Good boy, Diesel! That's a good boy! Good boy! Alright, let's go get your food. That's a good boy! Good boy, Diesel. There. Some sausage. Good boy.